How to replace all the contents from one folder with another one. I have folders old and new. I want to replace all the contents in old / to new /. There can be many subdirectories in those folders. But there can be few files which are not in new / but are in old /, so I want them to stay as they are. How can I do that from a Linux shell?
Rsync would probably be a better option here. It's as simple as rsync a subdir / check this unix.stackexchange answer for better solutions. Use F with the cp command. Suppress cp to overwrite prompt. To overwrite cp's alias you can simply enclose it in quotes. For more information follow these links. This URL.
Use rsync. It will synchronize the directories in one direction. So, if you want to update your old folder with everything from new, but keep what's in there, just use. This will, in a first instance, just output the list of files that would be transferred. In that case, everything found in new will be copied to old unless it's already there. Everything in old stays as it is. If it looks fine to you, remove the dry run argument to transmit them for real. The off flags just enable archive mode, which will preserve timestamps, etc., verbosity and human-readable file sizes. Nothing will be deleted from the destination unless you specify the delete flag. Consult ManSync for more information.
Please try once if you want to change the name of a folder. There are no command to rename the file / folders. The mv command is used to move the old directory to new directory, so rename success. Enter new sudo mv fr old / new /.
If you want the support feature, be as you can see subscribe.